MKS is one of the leading manufacturers of liquid and spindleless resistant starters and can look back on more than 100 years of expertise and experience in the field of drive technology. MKS products set the standard in many sectors, such as the cement, minerals, energy, and sugarcane industries, shredder plants, pump stations, and power plants in more than 100 countries all over the world. What is the reason for this exceptional position? This results from our high standards of reliability and quality with products that are made to resist and service life of up to 40 years. Our dedication to our customers with a quality, full-service solution for everything from assembly to commissioning, preventive maintenance, repairs, reconditioning, engineering, consulting, and training. And the confidence in our products, which are unique in their application and all designed, engineered, and tested by our experts in Germany. It goes without saying that all our materials and equipment conform to the highest standards. MKS. We start you up and keep you running worldwide.